how to find the new equation of a line when it's been reflected in the x or the y-axis in 92 seconds. Let's go. Guys, when it comes to reflecting a line in either the x-axis or the y-axis, the thing that we need to understand is that when we reflect in the x-axis, all of the y's in our equation become negative y. And when we reflect in the y-axis, all of the x's in our equation become negative x. Now, that's a little bit counterintuitive. So why actually is that? Let's have a look down here. Let's take this point 2, 3 and say that we reflected it in the y-axis. What would we get? Well, the new coordinate after being reflected in the y-axis would be this point here, minus 2, 3. We can see that when we reflect in the y-axis, the value of y actually stays the same and the value of x is reversed. Now, what if we were to take the same point, 2, 3, the original one, and reflect it in the x-axis instead? Where would it come? It would come just down there, and the new coordinate would be minus 3, 2. Just like in the previous case, we can see that when we reflect in the x-axis, we actually get a change of signs in the y, not in the x. And that, guys, was just a quick explanation of this counterintuitive point at the top. Now let's have a look at the question. It says calculate the new equation of the line y equals 2x plus 3 after it has been reflected in firstly the x-axis and then the y-axis. Guys, when it's reflected in the x-axis, the value of y becomes minus y. So we're going to simply take our equation and swap our y for a minus y. We have minus y equals 2x plus 3. Now what about reflecting in the y-axis this time, guys? We're going to take our x and swap it for minus x. We're going to get that y is equal to minus 2x plus 3. And that, guys, is going to be our answer.